Hello everyone. Today we are discussing evaluating sources. And here on our Information Literacy Skills Padlet page, you will find a lot of resources to help you in doing just that. So why is evaluating sources so important? And it's mainly so that you can make great choices for finding information. And the information that you might be looking for is usually for a research paper or project that your teachers will be assigning you throughout the year. Now, this will also be a very important skill as you move on to college and also throughout life. You need to be able to distinguish between accurate and inaccurate information so that you can make informed decisions on any topic that you're researching. When we're looking at this page, you'll be able to find a lot of links to help you out. So here on the right-hand side, you're going to find some links, and if you scroll down, you'll find some more. And all of these resources are here to help you. All of these links, they go to different guides, different images that will help you find ways in better evaluating those sources that you're looking at. So once you've looked at all of the links or some of the links that have really helped you out, I would like you to go to the discussion, which is here in the middle of the page, and answer the following question. What are the main challenges in knowing whether it is a valid source? So once you have figured out your answer for that, I'd like you to add a comment. And this will be able to help me out to see how you are doing in finding information, and also for your peers, letting them know what's worked for you, what hasn't worked for you, how you're able to distinguish between any sources that you've been finding. Of course, if you are needing any additional help, please come by the library and we'll be able to help you out in person. But this Padlet page is for you so that you have access to this information 24/7. Have a great day.